Congratulations, you purchased an Essence or Eurocube drop-in lavatory. Today, we're demonstrating with the Essence. Let's install it. Here are a few things to keep in mind before we get started. Make sure the clearance between the backsplash, faucet, fixture, and cabinets is acceptable for the new lavatory. If you're replacing an existing lavatory, be certain to shut off the water supply before removing the old sink. You also want to follow the manufacturer's instructions for the proper installation of your specific countertop. You'll want to gather the following items before you start the installation: a leveling tool, screwdrivers, caulking, and saws. And you'll want to identify and organize the hardware included. You'll see your sink, hardware kit, and template. For the drop-in installation, we're going to use our template to locate the position of our sink on the above portion of our counter. Hold up a bit alongside your jigsaw blade and choose one just a little larger than the blade. Next, drill a clearance hole inside the perimeter line of the template for the above counter installation. Use a saber saw to cut out the countertop opening. Here's a pro tip. You'll want to waterproof any exposed areas of wood. Mount your faucet following the manufacturer's instructions. If called for, be certain to apply a bead of sealing putty on the underside of the drain to ensure a watertight seal between the sink and the drain. Don't forget to remove any excess putty. Mount the drain assembly on the sink. Now place the sink temporarily into the template. Check it for alignment and clearance. It helps to mark the sink and countertop in several places as a guide for the installation location. Once the fit and alignment are okay, turn the lavatory upside down and apply a generous portion of silicone adhesive around the underside of the rim near the edge. Now, place the sink into position and wipe off any excess adhesive. Connect your supply line to the faucet, just finger tight, and carefully bend the tubes to engage the supply shutoff valves. Now tighten the connections at both the faucet and shutoff valves. Don't over-tighten these. Like most things plumbing, snug is all you need. Connect your trap to the drain assembly. Check the alignment and hand tighten. Remember, in some instances, it may be necessary to cut off part of the tailpiece or part of the horizontal leg of the trap. That extra material can get in the way of storage. One final check to ensure all the joints are secured for a watertight assembly. And your Grohe drop-in installation is complete.